In this video tutorial, I will show you how to withdraw your Bitcoin from Cash App to your bank account. First of all, you need to make sure that you have got a linked bank account to your Cash App. If you don't have it, you can click your profile in the top right corner. You need to scroll a little bit down and click on linked banks. And right here, you can link your bank to your Cash App account. Just click on link the debit card and enter your bank card information and link it to your Cash App account. After you will link your bank to Cash App, then you need to sell your Bitcoin and convert it into cash. For that, you need to click on the Bitcoin button in the right corner of the bottom menu, or just click the bank icon, scroll a little bit down and click on Bitcoin. When you go to the Bitcoin page, you will see your Bitcoin balance. Under the balance, you will find the sell button. You need to click on sell, and right here you will choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. If you want to sell all of them, you can click on sell all and you will convert your whole Bitcoin balance into cash, and you will have the cash on your account. Then from the main page of the Cash App, you can click the bank icon again, and right here in the top you will see the withdraw. You need to click on withdraw and then choose the bank account you just connected to your Cash App or your existing bank account and withdraw your money to your bank. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.